UK Deputy PM Angela Rayner dismissed JD Vance's claim that the UK under Labour is an Islamist country, calling it unrecognized and offensive. Vance's comments drew widespread condemnation, with many labeling them Islamophobic and racist. Last chance to shop Amazon Prime Day deals. Sale ends at 3 a.m. EDT tonight. Top 10 deals include in which Manchester United staff member recounts trip to Norway, where they saw dedicated fans and watched Euro 2024 final with legends, now eagerly anticipating the new season. Tenacious D cancelled tour after Kyle Gass' controversial joke about Trump assassination attempt sparked backlash. Both Gass and Jack Black apologized. Zara McDermott shares her distressing experiences with Graziano Di Prima on Strictly Come Dancing. Di Prima apologizes, citing his intense passion and determination as factors that may have affected his behavior. Chelsea's Enzo Fernandez apologizes for chanting derogatory song about France team, prompting Chelsea to begin disciplinary procedure and reiterate commitment to inclusivity and diversity. Stormzy and Maya Jama split up, announcing their decision in a joint Instagram post. They reunited in 2023 but ultimately decided to end their relationship. Stormzy and Maya Jama split up, announcing their decision in a joint Instagram post. They reunited in 2023 but ultimately decided to end their relationship. The annual Flying Ant Day phenomena in the UK, where swarms of ants and males take to sky to mate, is a mysterious and synchronized event that occurs when temperature conditions are optimal, typically in mid-July. Manchester United signs French defender Lenny Yoro, 18, from Lille OSC until 2029, hailed as top young defender. Violent unrest in Leeds, Hare Hills area, bus torched, police vehicles damaged. Chaos began on Luxor Street, spread to Hare Hills Lane, with opportunists joining in. Witnesses described the scene as shocking and disgusting. Shane Lowry leads the Open at 7 under, 2 shots ahead of Daniel Brown and Justin Rose. Global tech failure causes travel chaos, grounding flights and disrupting banking and healthcare. Faulty CrowdStrike antivirus update triggers blue error screens, leading to manual check-ins and delay at airports worldwide. Microsoft works to mitigate the issue. Elijah Google Malley, 18, detained for life for murdering Victor 17 in a vicious London attack. He stabbed Victor for his bicycle and knives, showing no remorse. Personalized news: how to balance technology and editorial integrity. Media organizations develop personalization algorithms that prioritize journalistic values, diversity, and transparency, ensuring ethical news, recommendation systems that protect public interest journalism. Dubai Princess Sheikha Mahara announces divorce on Instagram, defying norms and referencing triple talaq, a controversial Islamic practice allowing men to divorce without reason or consent.